Hello everyone, in this series of video, today, I will be discussing Section 3 of the BNS and various sections of the IPC, including Sections 6, 7, 27, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38, that provide foundational principles and guidelines for interpreting the legal provisions within their respective frameworks. Both Section 3 of the BNS and the corresponding IPC sections emphasize the importance of general exceptions, explanations, and the interpretation of criminal acts involving multiple participants. These provisions are critical in ensuring that legal definitions, penal provisions, and the understanding of criminal liability are consistently applied within the broader legal context. Key points of comparison: 1. General exceptions. Understanding of offences and exceptions. BNS Section 3, 1, states that every definition of an offence, penal provision, and illustration should be understood subject to the exceptions outlined in the General Exceptions chapter, even if those exceptions are not explicitly repeated in each definition. BNS Section 3, 1, mirrors Section 6 of IPC. Next one is explanation of expressions. Consistency in usage of terms. BNS Section 3, 2, mandates that expressions explained in any part of the Sanhita must be used consistently throughout the Sanhita in accordance with those explanations. BNS Section 3, 2, mirrors the IPC Section 7. Next one is possession of property. Possession and responsibility. BNS Section 3, 3, defines possession of property when it is held by a spouse, clerk, or servant, clarifying that it is considered the possession of the person on whose account it is held. BNS Section 3, 3, mirrors IPC Section 27. Next one is acts and omissions. Interpretation of criminal acts. BNS Section 3, 4, clarifies that references to acts include illegal omissions unless the context suggests otherwise. BNS Section 3, 4, mirrors IPC Section 32. Next one is common intention and criminal liability. Joint responsibility in crimes. BNS Section 3, 5, states that when a criminal act is done by several persons with a common intention, each person is liable as if they had acted alone. BNS Section 3, 5, mirrors IPC Section 34. Next one is criminal knowledge or intention. Liability for crimes committed with knowledge or intention. BNS Section 3, 6, imposes liability on individuals who participate in a criminal act with criminal knowledge or intention, even if the act is committed by multiple persons. BNS Section 3, 6, mirrors IPC Section 35. Next one is effect caused by act and omission. Combined acts and omissions leading to offence. BNS Section 3, 7, states that if an offence is caused by both an act and an omission, it is considered the same offence as if caused by either alone. BNS Section 3, 7, mirrors IPC Section 36. Next one is cooperation in criminal acts. Shared responsibility in crime commission. BNS Section 3, 8, clarifies that anyone who cooperates in the commission of a criminal offence by performing one of the necessary acts is guilty of the entire offence. BNS Section 3, 8, mirrors IPC Section 37. Next one is different offences by same act. Differentiating offences among participants. BNS Section 3, 9, states that different participants in a criminal act may be guilty of different offences depending on their intentions and actions. BNS Section 3, 9, mirrors IPC Section 38. Likewise, it can be concluded as the comparison between Section 3 of the BNS and the corresponding sections of the IPC reveals a significant overlap in their legal principles, particularly regarding general exceptions, the interpretation of terms, and the treatment of criminal liability. Both codes provide a detailed framework for understanding how offences should be interpreted, how liability is assigned in cases involving multiple participants, and how acts and omissions are treated under the law. Furthermore, the key difference lies not in the content of the provisions but in their codification under different sections, reflecting the organizational structure of each legal code. This alignment ensures consistency in the application of justice, regardless of the jurisdiction, while allowing for specific contextual interpretations that may arise in different legal scenarios.